Hey, Mikołaj Maria Dawidowski here, and welcome to another video. How to deal with shame. Shame is the third chakra challenge that deals with judgments. Unlike the guilt that deals with things you want to do, shame is more about the things that you have done, or even not really, because guilt can be backwards as well. But shame is more like you're ashamed of something. You're ashamed of something that you've done and you wish you were better in some way, shape, or form, you know? Guilty is like, oh, I'm guilty. I've done something bad. That's it. Shame is, oh, I did something bad, but I did something and I could have done it better. I could have done it another way. If only I went back and I could have changed it somehow, I'm sure things would be better now. That's shame. You know? In a way. That's one of the ways, simplified ways of describing shame. It's like, oh, judging yourself that you weren't good enough in the present moment, in the past, so on and so forth. So how do you deal with it? What does it even do? Well, shame causes you to judge yourself on many different levels, creating the perception that you, our friend, are not enough, that you cannot accept yourself as you are, that you need to be better, that you need to be stronger, that you need to be something else. You see, you can recognize the strength that you have within, you can recognize the discipline that you have within yourself, you can recognize the divinity that you are, and express it in the world without the wanting part. A lot of people are on the level of wanting. You want to be strong, you want to be successful, you want to be great, you want to be whatever it is that you wish to be. And therefore, my friend, you're trying to attain it, you're working towards it, you're putting in effort, and you keep judging yourself every time you have one day where you don't do it. Like, oh no, my life is gonna collapse because on the 700th day I only did 5 push-ups instead of 15 push-ups. You know? That's... it is nice to strive towards a greater ideal, but it is important to understand not to lose yourself within the process. Eventually you lose yourself as the conditioned self. You gotta lose that, yes, of course, but you gotta also realize that eventually that you're perfect as you are. And from the space of perfection, then you can do things. And as you're perfect, you choose to go to the gym because you choose to go to the gym. Not because you need to go to the gym, not because you should go to the gym, not because you need to get stronger. No, everything is perfectly fine. I'm just choosing to go to the gym. That's it. Maybe because I like it or something, but I choose to go to the gym now. That's it. There are no motives. And I do the right workout and that's it. And I know what the right workout is because I know. Because I'm perfect. And I know what my body needs. And therefore, I fulfill all my needs, I fulfill all my desires, I fulfill all my wants. And that creates my will. And I explore my will perfectly. Because I am perfect. But getting back to shame. Shameful actions can cause you to close down on reality, to stop you from exploring reality. Because third chakra deals with exploration, going out there and trying new things. And shame will stop you from that. A lot of people say that ego is seated within the third chakra because it deals with outside world and how we perceive ourselves within the outside world. And so we will start judging everything and everyone around us, and it is important to stop. Don't let shame eat you away, my friend. In order to, the way you deal with shame, just so it's clear, is you recognize, my friend, that you're perfect. What you did in the past was perfect. You did the best that you could have. You can look back at the past and say, okay, this decision led to this decision, and this decision led to this decision, and that will expand your awareness and give you deeper insight into yourself and who you are, and expand your understanding of life. But do not do it from the space of, oh, I should have done it like this, I should have done it like that, if only I could have done it like this, or if only I could have said this or that. Don't fall into that trap, my friend. That's a trap. You're perfect as you are, and you're making perfect decisions and perfect choices, shifting yourself into that higher frequency once again. I bless you, my friend, and I wish you an absolutely wonderful day, full of wonderful, beautiful experiences. Consider leaving a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Lots of videos coming your way, my friend. I'm sure they are going to help you change your life for the better. Bye.